Welcome back to Fast Money. Check out shares of FactSet outperforming the S&P 500 over the past month. The financial data company holding its annual investor day here at the NASDAQ today. Phil Snow is FactSet CEO. He joins us here on set. And we were just saying, Phil, you are the first live guest actually on set for Fast Money.
Clap them in.
Yeah, nice.
Good
to have one.
Thank you.
So welcome to the show.
Thanks.
In terms of how we should think about FactSet, you make very clear in numerous presentations, et cetera, that it's subscription driven.
Yep.
So what is the most sort of sensitive data point that determines whether the subscriptions go up or down?
Well, that's a good question. So we usually what we do, Melissa, is we get into a client. We have three good business lines. We've got the traditional FactSet workstation. We've got our portfolio analytics. And we've got our CTS business, which is more of a feeds and API business. Mm-hmm. So our strategy is really to land and expand. So we get a lot of our growth from existing clients. So that's really what drives subscriptions up at a particular client.
I was looking at one of the slides in your presentation day today, and it looks like the total addressable market is $32 billion. Yeah. And where are you right now? 1.7 or something like that?
Yeah, we're above 1.7 with our latest acquisition. We'll be approaching 2 here pretty quickly.
So how do you think about that 32? What does that $32 billion represent?
That represents most of our major competitors that are servicing investment managers, investment banks, private equity firms, corporations. So all of the data analytics firms in the space that you're all very familiar with. And it's just a question of which workflows and which data sets you have.
So. All right, so talk to us a little bit. You were on the show, I think it was in December of last year. You kind of hinted that you're thinking about M&A. You guys made a big deal, I guess the biggest deal you have. So talk to us a little bit about that and how should customers think about it.
Yeah, so we're very excited to have CUSIP Global Services as part of the FactSet family. And that really speaks to the trend of data management. So all of our clients are struggling to manage data. That's what we do beautifully. We've got our content refinery. So this really is good synergies with our data management services or data as a service. And it's also going to get us into some new client types. So we're very excited about that.
So another question for you. One of the slides, I think, talked about raising prices. Mm-hmm. And so I don't know how much your costs are going up. I would imagine, hopefully, for you, less than the prices that you're able to get.
Right.
How do you see the environment for that? Do you think you can continue to raise price?
We definitely have pricing power. Traditionally, we've only raised prices about 3%. This year, we did it 4%. We definitely could do that. I think we're going to see how things play out this year. We want long-term relationships with clients, though, so we definitely try to make it fair for everyone. But if our costs go up significantly, obviously, that's going to be happening for everybody.
Phil, how do you see yourself, and again, we're the ones supposed to figure out the multiple and all the data that you guys provide, but relative to other info services companies, you traded a nice premium, and you traded a premium because, I think, of this pricing power and a addressable market that still is significantly above where you are. Just talk about how we should think about it.
Yeah, we've always traded at a premium to our peers, and everyone says, I want to wait until you come down, but you'll be waiting forever, I think, if you do that. So the subscription-based model is fantastic. And there's just lots of reasons why clients want to stick with us. We're a consistently performing stock. I think there's probably less than this many stocks on the S&P 500 or public in the U.S. that have grown revenues and earnings as consistently as FactSet has. So we're a safe harbor in choppy markets. We performed extremely well when the internet bubble burst and when the mortgage crisis hit. So it just speaks to our product, the business model, and the relationships we have with all of our clients.
Phil, great to see you in person.
Great. Thank you for having me.
Soon.
Okay. Thanks.
Guy, what's the trade on FactSet?
You stay long. I mean, you have had opportunities over the years. So if you look at this stock for the last, decade or so, there have been 15, 20, 25% peak to drop declines, and you just saw one. Made an all-time high of $495 recently, traded down basically to $400. You can do that math, and here we are getting back on the horse. So I think you get long this stock. Tim is right to point out valuation, but Phil is right to point out that, if you've avoided this stock because of valuation over the last decade, you've missed out.